Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Sub-C-Brew back in another video just for all of y'all. We are out here with the Type R. It is finally time, y'all. We are getting new wheels and tires for the track spec Type R that I'm going to be building. Man, shout out again to Elite Wraps for helping me out with some of the decals. Shout out to Auto Tune. We got the new AWE exhaust. If you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check out that video. And so many things, man. The Mugen rear, the Varis front. We got American Modified Grille. We got the BattleAero chassis splitter. We got so much stuff and so many mods that are on the car, and more mods are gonna be coming to the channel and the vehicle. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. Follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. Like I always keep saying, guys, go after your dreams and make them reality.
Unless you want both of our tires to like fly out.
Yeah, no, because you can't torque them down. You couldn't torque them down. Look at us Salt Subi guys get the Type R's now. I think it will be nice, man. What, the bronze? I think it would be a great accent. Like that's what I was thinking. I want to go black, but I didn't want to go white. I think that would be a nice dark kind of color. These are them. Oh yeah, it's gonna be. Yeah, that's actually gonna be kind of tight. Yeah. Damn. Woo. See?
Which one? Dude, it looks so nice.
What? Oh, the wheels? Yeah, it came out really nice. That's gonna be a nice.
Especially if you clean it, the color would be a little bright.
Dang. I've never had bronze wheels. I think I line I have. Dang, this looks sick. Yeah, these look pretty sick. Oh, sorry if I'm like all on your way. Sorry. Oh, damn, yeah. Yeah, it's a massive difference, bro, from like the black. Like seeing the black. So that's the stock side, y'all. That's the homies Type R. Shout out to Patrick's homies Type R over here, and then this is the. Dang, that's crazy. Dude, I need so much suspension. It's funny because that's usually what I always do first. Oh shit, white looks clean. This is clean right here. Oh, I like this right here. Is this the APR one? APR. Yeah, I like that. Nice little subtle touch. I like that. Detail. Yeah, I like that. This guy's APR'd out, guys. APR rear, APR wing, APR sides, APR hood, APR under in the engine bays. APR every car. You got this is the man, the myth, the legend right here.
APR is cool, man. I love their brand.
Oh yeah, man.
And their service.
Yeah, they're awesome. I got a bunch of stuff for my Corvette with APR. Yeah. Oh, you talking about the black and the red? Like your the red lip or whatever? Yeah, I didn't know. Like I was like, I don't know about the color, but now I'm like, all right, yeah, the color is it's gonna be sick. Yeah, I like the contrast for sure. I like the dark tone that my car is kind of going for right now.
Springs, man.
Oh yeah, the HR springs.
I have white line. They just want it. You don't need something to sway on.
Yeah, no, that's what I heard. I heard it's pretty stock, pretty good, man. Just springs and you're good. Oh wow. Okay. Dang, these look nice. Black kind of goes with the white because you have so much black accents. I don't know why it just seems different than the gray.
It's just a white car.
Is that what it is? You can do anything white. You can put like
Prius and put this and still look nice.
Yeah.
Like I think it's just a white car.
Yeah, the white does look kind of nice. I was unsure on this, but the color, I like this. I like this a lot, actually.
I'm telling you, once
it's pretty tough.
Nose,
yeah.
It's gonna.
No, I actually really like it. Dang, this is sick. It look. Oh, and because the good thing is all the parts I sold for the Subaru, that's what I spent. I'm only like $1,000 in like difference.
We both broke even.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Yeah, look at this. Look at the carbon. Look at this guy. Dang, yeah. Well, hey, this is a perfect example of two different. This is a perfect example of two different ways you could do it. You know. Dude, the chassis mount's sick, dude.
It's crazy when you stood on it yesterday. I'm like,
oh yeah, no, we had to take the whole. It's bolted so many places, bro. Yeah, you take the front off and then, yeah. Oh yeah, we used the lift for sure. Went to a whole shop and we were on a whole lift. And I would say if you're gonna do that, you can just do the grill at the same time because the grill is an easy. Yeah. I do like this paint right here. I like how you paint match this.
I wanted to do it, but I just don't know how to paint match it right.
Yeah, no,
It was, I guess, the accident was pressing this.
Yeah, no, that right. Yeah, look, it came out great. You guys see my man Shabag is Type R right here. I mean, it fits perfectly. It low key almost looks like it's it's because your springs, dude. How many how low is this? Like an inch?
Shoot.
Look at that championship white, y'all.
Shotgun.
Dang. So we are out here, y'all. Damn, these wheels look sick. Yeah, this came out. Now we're starting to get somewhere, guys, with the build. I'm doing a shoot. We're in sprint mode. It's been 2 months. I got this. Dang, look at that. Dang, you guys got the white, clean white. You guys got the mean gray. It's almost like good and evil. You got the good, we got the evil version right here. Ooh, Type R, this is looking clean. Check out the homies car. Even stock, it still looks good. Like this still looks good, but dang. Got the wrap on the side. Varis side skirt. Dang, look at that front. Damn, what y'all think, man? Like the stocks on the white look so sick. He's lowered on springs. The white looks sick. The bronze and the gold looks absolutely amazing. Like that looks so clean, bro. This whole car. Damn, even with the red now, like I'm glad I kept that. Like, damn. Take a look at this. That's crazy. Dang. Jeez.